Okay, guys, so we're just going to dive right in. First, I'm going to be applying the Juvia's Place Concealer. I believe this is the shade number 14. And then I'm going to be taking this concealer brush and basically just blending that in. As you guys know, I use my P.LOUISE base cream to set my eyelids. So I'm also going to be applying that as well. So I'm going to be using the Beauty Rainbow Splash palette by OPV Beauty, and the colors I'm using are Spectrum, Storm, and Spring. And I'm going to be using my Morphe E18 brush to apply the first color. Go ahead and cut the crease, and I'm using the Makeup Revolution Cut Crease Canvas base cream to cut my crease. And you just want to make sure you have a really good base or even a concealer to cut your crease, as I'm doing, and a really good brush as well. Okay, so now I'm going to take the Morphe M32-1 brush again, and I'm basically going to be shading the eyeliner and then also the outer corner to create a really smoky, kind of like a smoky look, if you guys know what I'm saying. So I'm basically like shading the outer line on where the tape is. Okay, guys, now I'm going to be doing my eyebrows. I'm trying this SHOPMISSA Wonder Brow Cream. As you guys know, like, I only stick with either my e.l.f. or my Morphe eyebrow cream. So I decided, you know, to go out of the box and try something new. So I'm giving this a shot for the first time. So now I'm going to go ahead and start with the face. I'm going to be using this Shea Butter moisturizer to get started. It evens your skin tone and it actually leaves your skin very soft after applying it. So I'm just going to go ahead and put this on my face. Okay, so now I'm going to be taking these two concealers. The NYX is more of a yellow undertone, and then the e.l.f. is more of just a kind of like a more beige undertone, and I really want to brighten under my eyes in certain areas of my face. So I decided to combine these two concealers, so I'm going to head and just apply those and blend those onto my face. Okay, now I'm going to be using this ColourPop Lip Matte Lipstick in the color Limbo. So I'm just going to go ahead and start applying that to my lips. Now I'm just going to go ahead and take this brush from Real Technique. I forgot what kind of brush it is, but I'm going to use this to just blend in the setting powder all over my face. And you just want to really blend in the powder. I really actually love this brush because I feel like it's very dense and like sturdy. So I'll try to find what the name of this brush is, and I'll make sure to put it in the description box below, or hopefully I can find what brush this is and put it in my video. So now I'm going to go ahead and just start doing my underliner, or I'm sorry, basically putting those same shadows on my eyelid under my lower lash line. And so that's what I'm going to be doing now, and I'm using that same Morphe M321 brush. Okay, you guys, so this is going to be the finishing look. This look was inspired by makeup influencer. I believe her name is Makeup by Tiffany J. She inspired me to do this makeup look, and I actually love how it came out with this green color. It pops so well with the pink eyeshadow, and I really love how this look came out, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Bye, you guys.